Hi there, here's another quick search tip. This time we'll be working in EBSCO host. So from our database list, I'm going to find EBSCO. And from here I can select the databases I want EBSCO to search. I could select all, but I'm going to choose databases that will let me search health-related information and then information related to medical education. So I have Academic Search Complete checked. Next, I'm looking for ERIC, a database dedicated to educational resources, Health Source, and finally Medline. And then I have to scroll all the way down to the bottom to hit continue. So I can run my search now. Medical education and search. So next, I have a lot of results here because it's pulling from so many different databases. I can scroll down to where it says databases and choose to view my results by database. So I've selected Medline. I could choose to look at my results just by Academic Search Complete or just by ERIC. So right now I'm looking at my results for Medline. I could further limit these results by using the facets on the left-hand side of the screen. But the next thing I would do is I would select the articles that I wanted to save. So to do that, you simply hit on the folder icon, and then I could switch over to another database. So I can look at ERIC, and I will uncheck Medline. So my folder items are still here on the right-hand side of the page, but I could go ahead and add other items. And when I'm ready to export all of these to EndNote, I would go to Folder View. I can select all and export. And then the default is a format already for EndNote.